So today we are going to learn that how you can convert any text or logo into the Chrome effect. It's very easy. What you have to do is to follow the steps as it is as I do. Welcome to Innovative Codes. My name is Imran Iqbal. So for converting any text or logo into the Chrome effect, we need Adobe Photoshop. After opening Adobe Photoshop, what you have to do is to drag or import your desired document. Here I have a logo with the text written on it. So what will I do? I will just open it into the Adobe Photoshop. After importing your desired logo into the Photoshop, the first thing we will do is to remove its background to the transparent layer. So for converting it into the layer form, you will just double click on that lock symbol of that image. A dialog box will be open. No need to read anything, just hit OK. After doing that, you will select your whole document by using a Ctrl+A key. After selecting it, go to the select menu, then choose a color range. Here I want to eliminate the white color from its background. I will just select that with the eyedropper tool and hit the delete key. After doing that, you can see that we have a transparent layer of this background. Now we will right click on that layer, choose the blending option, and here's the game. You have to follow the steps as it is as I do over here. So the first step is just select the color overlay. Okay, check it, then go to the color section and choose any neutral gray color. Okay, hit the OK button. The second step is choose the bevel and emboss. After clicking on it, we will just choose the style over here. To the inner bevel, technique should be smooth, depth should be 600, direction should be up, size should be 40, soften should be 5. Now come to the shading part. Angle should be 120, use global light should be unchecked, the altitude must be 30, glass contour should be linear one. If you don't see the list like this, then go to the cog section and just select the small list, hit the linear glass contour. The highlight mode should be wide with the screen blending mode and opacity 75%. Then the shadow mode is multiply black color with the opacity 75%. Hit OK. Now you have to convert that layer into the smart object. How you can do that? Just simply right click on it, go to the convert to smart object, hit on it. Now again we will apply a blending option with the outer bevel this time. Go to the blending option. Now use bevel and emboss, select it, click on it. Now this time the style should be outer bevel. Click on it, technique should be smooth, depth should be 100%, size gonna be 7%, soften should be 0%. The remaining things should be same as it is, the 120, 30, but the difference should be over there. Like the glass contour this time should be ring double. Click on it and hit OK. After doing that, now here's the tricky part. What will I do? I will just go to the adjustment section, use curves, and I will make a W form of curve with the pointer like this. And here you have your Chrome effect on your logo as well as on the text part. If you want to see its visibility more clear, we will add a darker background behind it. Just hit OK and put that layer over there. Hold the Alt key on the curve layer and it will apply on the logo just. And here you can see that we have applied the chrome effect on our logo very easily with just very simple steps. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you have any query, you can comment us or email us. Subscribe our channel for more interesting updates and videos. Till then,